is a severe thunderstorm warning message. The National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Buffalo County, southern Sherman County, until 6 p.m. At 5:31 p.m., local law enforcement reported a severe thunderstorm producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Kearney and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. At 5:35 p.m., quarter-size hail was reported near Kearney with this storm. Locations impacted include Gibbon, Pleasanton, Poole, Ravenna, Hazard, and Rockville. This includes Interstate 80 between mile markers 278 and 287. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Buffalo, and Sherman.